far. Oh, there's a female grey wagtail bird. Female grey wagtail. Can you see her? Oh, that was a kingfisher that just went past. No joke, that was a kingfisher bird, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. Oh, no way. Well, I've got it on footage now. No. Yeah, same. Nikki, did you just see that? That kingfisher, that blue bird, it just dived in there. I don't think it's going to come back out. Right. Let's go. That was so cool, that.